Shenzhen HDFocus Technology established ROS, FCC, HDMI certified. HDFocus have delivered hundreds of projects and won high reputation in over 80 countries. We have distributors for around 10 countries such as USA, Singapore, Korea. We are available to provide engineers on-site service for over 15 countries. We also welcome the OEM and ODM cooperation to make your own brands better. With years of overseas marketing experience, we have sales experts to help resolve all the possible problems and engineers for online technical support. HDFocus trusts win-win cooperation should be the best way to make business go further. We are here looking forward to the long-term partnership with all friends in the world.